Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel and welcome to my office. Today we're going to show you how to take a stock photo and turn it into something with a little bit more pizzazz for your social media. So this is going to be a quick little tutorial, but I think you're going to like what we're going to show you. Let's get going. Let's get going creating an Instagram photo that's going to be a little bit more dynamic and have a little bit more pizzazz for you. And of course, we're going to do it in Canva. Now, I will encourage you to have the Canva Pro because you're licensing for stock photos, images, graphics, audio, everything else is included in your monthly fee. If you don't have the Pro version, you can try it for 30 days free. I have a link in the description below. But otherwise, let's get going on creating an Instagram post that's going to give your business and your social media feed a little bit more pizzazz. So, two things that I love about Canva. The first thing is that it sets up templates for you. It already has set up the size that you need for your Instagram feed, and it also gives you those free images I was talking about. But there are a lot of really smart people working on Canva that they have given their templates out there for people to use. And this is what makes your life a little easier because the creative smart people have already put things out that you just need to tweak a little bit. So as I said, I've kind of already done this in another video that we can't use, but I want to search in the templates, and again, you can see here I'm on the left menu. It says templates, and we're going to put in Valentine's Day. And because we're looking because I selected the Instagram post size here for the template, it's only going to show us Instagram sized templates that people are already using. Now, I personally, since a lot of people do use Valentine or do use Canva, I like to dive a little bit further down so that I'm looking for things that maybe aren't so popular as people just selecting the top one. That's my theory. I don't know if it's true, but that's what my theory is. Now I have already selected one here. I'm going to click out that I did like, and I'm going to simply drag it over here, and it's going to fill up the whole template that we have. Now, this heart here is one that somebody already created. Like I said, smart people on Canva. So we're going to take this and we're going to customize it and make it our own. And what I would really want to do here is I love the hearts around in this border, but I want to make them a little bit more animated. So we're going to come down here and select elements, and we're going to put in the word hearts. And little quick tip here, I only want to look for graphics in this particular case, and I only really want to see animated graphics. So I'm going to go in here, and this little function here is the filter, and I'm going to select animated. I'm going to apply that filter, and now it'll show me graphics that are moving and animated. So we're going to scroll all the way down. It's taking a little bit of time here, and actually I already found one, which is here. And I'm simply going to click on it and drag it over. Now we see we've got our little points here. So we're going to make that a little bit bigger to fill the whole graphic. Now, if you're not familiar with graphics or design, you're basically layering things on the initial picture. In this particular case, because I just brought over that graphic, it's laying on top of the whole picture. And actually I want that, but I don't want it to cover this love part. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up to the top here and look at the word position. And you can see here that Canva once again is showing us the layers. And I want to click backward until I see that this love part, as that just happened, pops forward. And so now this whole section here, what the designer did is coming forward, and the graphics, the animated graphic is behind it. So now that love really pops. I love doing that. Now for this part, I love everything that she's got or he or she's created on this. I want to add my logo. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to come and get the eGen Solutions logo. I'm going to click on it and bring it over and make it fit a little bit. Now those crosshairs that you see when I'm moving it around just kind of help you align things a little bit better so that I can say, oh, it's aligned, between the right down the middle of the white space. That looks pretty good. Now, one of the things too is that this designer has wonderfully grouped that whole design. So we can actually move the February and the Valentine's around. And again, we can move it to wherever we like. Now, let's say I want to move that love up a little bit so I can give my logo a little bit more room. I'm simply going to click on it, come over here to the word ungroup. And what that's going to do is it's going to ungroup the February, love, and Valentine section. And now I can easily move. You can see here, I can just move February up a tad. I can move love up a tad. And then I can move the eGen Solutions logo up just a bit. Another little tip, if you're having a hard time like I just was in quite getting that exact location, if you zoom in, it'll allow you to get a little bit more detailed with positioning different things. So just a quick little tip there for you. And again, I want to make sure that I'm aligned, which it looks like I am. And there you go. It's a really great graphic. I think, though, I want to add a little bit more. And this is another little design that I found, which I thought was very cute. And we're going to take that and actually make it a little bit bigger so it surrounds that whole white box. Yeah, a little too big. Watch that. Yep, I think I like that. So there you go. It's a cute little graphic, and I think that animates things a little bit nicer. May not be your design choice, but you kind of get the idea when you go in there how you can search for different animation styles and add that to it. Now for the download. That piece is where I love Canva again. We're going to come to the download section. If you just wanted a static picture, that might look a little weird with the heart. You probably aren't going to get the full heart image on that, especially this one that's, circling around. But you could download it as a static flat PNG file. Most places, you can also do it as a GIF. I have not had success uploading this to Facebook/Meta, and Instagram will not take GIFs. So your best bet, and that's why they're suggesting it, is to download it in the MP4 video format. So you simply click download, and then that will download to your computer, which you can easily save and upload to your Instagram, Facebook, or your scheduling program that you use. So I hope this helps you out. One little quick tip that I want to share with you is, let's say you want to also do this in an Instagram story size. You can easily do it. If you like how you created this, but you just need a different format, in the Pro version only, you will have the option to resize. And let me tell you, this will make your life so much easier, because once you have the base of the creation that you have made, you can then easily transform it into different sizes. So I'm going to show you really quickly how that works. Again, you can see Canva has nicely given us the Instagram story size. We're going to select that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to keep this original one, but we're going to make a copy. And when we make the copy, it's going to be in the Instagram story size. Watch. Now, obviously, it's not looking so good in the Instagram story size. But what this really does is this gives you the option to come over here and filter through things, make it a little bit different and easier, and you're just going to have to play around. But you can kind of see how this will make your life a lot easier. You'll have to make some tweaks, but There you go. So I hope this video has helped you. If it did, I appreciate a thumbs up so we know to create more content like this. And of course, I love subscribers. Thank you very much. And I will see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.